Well, like I said, the snow is coming, as you can see, so I don't have time to clamp this thing, so I'm just going to go freehand, and I'm actually pretty good at it. So I'm going to get rid of the snow that we've got so far, so I can see where I'm going, and I'm going to rip this thing. Now I set the blade depth slightly deeper than the thickness of this butcher block, so it's going to cut slightly into the horses, but the horses have a rubber top, so I'm not too concerned about it. So here we go. I'm going to cut this thing without my glasses because I won't be able to see, but here we go. Okay, there we go, folks. I made it, and just in time, because the sky is getting very black over there. So I'm going to bring this in the house, and we're going to just dry fit it, and then I'm going to have to cut it for length. And this is the other piece that we have to do the other countertop. So I think we're in good shape. And stay with us because this is a snowy adventure.